Where can you buy the PS5? How do you find the PS5? And more importantly, if you guys are looking for the Sony PlayStation 5, this is where to get it, possibly right now, depending when you guys are watching this video. Welcome back to the channel. I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt. Granted, if you guys have never seen me before, I promise to be your hookup for not only PS5 stock inventory, but all of your Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and individual daily purchases. If you guys are looking for the PS5 right now, please give this video a thumbs up. Please feel free to leave me a comment about it. I'll help each of you with your individual searches. And if you subscribe with your notifications turned on, you will know when things get in stock. I can promise that's what this channel does. And finally, before I get to which stores have stock, what to do and what not to do, you are welcome to text me at any point. My phone number is 440-298-2181. And no, I don't have a lot of friends. Okay, let's talk about where the PS5 is being sold. Walmart is the first of the major retailers that's going to do a whole rollout system when this product debuts on November 12th. If you guys are watching this before November 12th, this is highly important information. If you guys are watching this after the release of this product on November 12th, 2020, I've got a whole range of resources to assist you as well. So Walmart's the first retailer. Then we have Target. There's Best Buy. You're going to find GameStop, a very useful store in your community right now. And then as well, if you guys are trying to purchase this in Canada, EB Games, I know I've got a lot of Canadian viewers, and Amazon, Amazon.com, Amazon.ca, and we are going to talk about accessories in a moment. Let's start with Walmart and what you need to know. And guys, with specific links to the deals at your favorite retailers, expand that video description box. I do use affiliate links, which means I benefit monetarily, but you guys are hopefully going to benefit by getting the PS5 into your hands right now. This is probably the hottest, most highly sought after holiday product. The Xbox doesn't seem to be attracting this level of attention, although I'm happy to hook you guys up with Xboxes, and we'll talk about that another time. So Walmart is going to do a rolling release for the PS5 on November 12th, Thursday. That's this Thursday. And they're going to be releasing new stock of the product every 3 hours. They begin at noon Eastern Standard Time, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and then right up until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, they will have released all of their day of inventory. Now, all of my resources have indicated that most major retailers like Walmart get their stock delivered by Sony once per week. So Walmart is essentially going to blow its load on the first day, but a lot of other retailers like Target are actually going to be holding on to stock specifically for Black Friday and Cyber Mondays. So if you don't get in on the pre-release action or week of release action, don't worry. The PS5 release at Target also drops with some bundled games. Some of these are buy two, get one free on select games. Just make sure that you are in fact selecting from their PS5 because they've kindly thrown a bunch of PS4 games and accessories into their carousel as well. Let's talk about Best Buy, and then I'm going to give you the links that you need to click to find the inventory in your community. Best Buy is also ensuring that all of its inventory is only available online. Now, right now, you can see that I could actually pre-order this with the link that I found and ensure that I do get an order in for this. But if you guys are clicking in the links below this video description for Best Buy and you can no longer pre-order, or perhaps you arrive at a box on the Best Buy page that just says coming soon for the PlayStation 5 or the PlayStation 5 Digital Edition, don't worry about that. When these become available, I'm going to give you a tool to ensure that you know that you can order directly from Best Buy. And I know some of you guys are watching me the first time, you're thinking, this guy's going to give me a tool. He is one. Don't worry, I do this for a living. And it's very important for me to ensure that you guys get what you're looking for. And let's talk about Amazon. So on Amazon, you can actually sign up for alerts when Amazon has its stock availability. But if you look at things like the DualSense control, they're one of the only retailers right now that's doing a quick same-day delivery on the DualSense wireless controller. The HD camera is also something that they have with same-day delivery, and that does give me hope for Amazon's inventory system. Keep in mind, Amazon does a lot of its stock replenishment overnight, somewhere between 3 and 6 in the morning Eastern Standard Time, so it's always better to check first thing or very late at night when it comes to Amazon. When you guys are searching to buy the PlayStation 5 Digital Edition or the console, here's what to be very careful of on Amazon. You'll notice Amazon has a list of additional sellers. When you guys are shopping, if you see things like ships from and sold by AK&P, and there's only one rating for the merchant, before you blindly give someone your credit card information, even if it's through Amazon, ensure that the merchant has a lot of ratings and make sure they didn't just pop up for the PS5 release week like JLB Enterprises with a Z, because the Z is super cool. Because there's a chance, if something goes wrong, you will be out your cash for quite some time until Amazon's A to Z guarantee customer service gets back to you and sorts it out. So things like MD Group 24/7, which totally sounds like a PlayStation 5 reseller. Please, guys, be very careful. I'm not trying to pick on any of these resellers, but it's the same thing we see every year for both accessories and console deals for new releases from any major retailer. And that includes Target, Walmart, Best Buy, where they all welcome third-party merchants onto their website. Ensure that you know who you are shopping from. Before I get to PS5 related discounts, what not to do, and how to check your local communities for inventory, a reminder, guys, if you do have a MyPlaystation account on the Sony PlayStation.com official website, there is a link in the video description box. You can also get alerts from Sony with regards to both the PS5 console and the PS5 digital edition stock updates for major retailers. Just letting you know that that does exist, although they've been kind of phasing that in and out. All right. Let's start with Target Inventory Checker BrickSeek. If you guys are not yet aware, when it comes to inventory at Target and from other retailers, through the barcode check that I have set up tied to the PlayStation 5, you can actually get automatic alerts for your specific zip code or community. In the event that you guys don't want to sign up for local alerts, you can just simply check the inventory in real time. That resource located just under the video description box. And my other favorite major tracker will give you stock updates around the clock for all of the major retailers that include GameStop, B&H, Amazon, even Sam's Club. Maybe you've got a membership. If the PS5 is showing up as sold out everywhere, this tracker will ensure that you get stock delivered to you and automatic updates when something does become available. And the link to give you the access to the most stores only because I set it up because I really have no life. It's all waiting for you in that video description box. The third resource, which is great if you are a member of my international audience, also hooks you up with a UK tracker, Canadian tracker, different areas of the world where you can see stock immediately and get those updates delivered to you. There's also a timestamp tied to when things are getting replenished. And guys, there is going to be hope. I'm going to let you know that this is going to be one of the most difficult products to purchase initially. That does change. I covered the release of the Nintendo Switch. I was actually one of the first people to test it. Nintendo hooked me up at the YouTube space in Toronto. And I found a way for people to get it, and I will find a way for you guys to get this. And with that being said, I just want to mention really quickly, if you guys are looking to purchase PlayStation Network cards, you can get a huge discount on them right now, $43.67 versus $50. Maybe that's not huge, but that does add up quickly. If you guys are planning to buy several gift cards, that more than 12% on average discount is more money back in your pocket where it belongs. The link to all of those resources in the video description box. And one important thing, guys, if you have an older console and you are looking to trade it in, I did find that Flipsy is actually giving some of the better cash back for older, used, and bruised consoles, and that's better than Gazelle and many of the other merchants available. This is not a sponsored video. I just happened to check different consoles and do a price comparison, so that is worth it, and that is also a link that you can find in that video description box. More importantly, I know it's frustrating, but I am here for you around the clock. I will be keeping an eye on this inventory. Please subscribe, turn your notifications on, let me help you. You're welcome to text me again. 440-298-2181 is my number, 440-298-2181. And if there are other products that you're looking for, things that are difficult to find, please let me help you. I really want to do this for you guys this holiday season. You guys have been so wonderful and loyal and watching my videos and getting me closer to 1 million subscribers. And I can't even begin to articulate my gratitude for that. So let me hook you up. I think I've said let me hook you up like 5 times throughout this video, but I never really had any hookups in college or anything. So maybe I'm just trying to make this more exciting in terms of my vocabulary. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye-bye.